It's hilarious how much money you can make with joke books. I'm going to show you a couple that are on sale on Amazon. They're bestsellers. I'm going to show you how simple they are, what's inside them, and how much money they make. Let's get started. I'm going to show them to you now, and then I'll go into the Amazon screens and show you. The point is, there's a lot of money to be made with jokes, and it's fun. Laugh, laugh, laugh all the way to the bank. Let's get started. Dad jokes. Let me get that so you can see it, okay? Dad jokes. What is a dad joke? I didn't know at first. It's just a joke that's kind of corny. You know, kind of like, ugh, that was so silly. Like that kind of a joke. They don't have to have dads in them or parenting or anything. They're just these little, like, oh, that was funny, but, you know, kind of jokes. So this is a little book. It's not 8.5 by 11. I guess it's 6 by 9 or something. And let me show you the inside. It's very simple formatting inside. I'm trying to hold this up in a way that you can see it. Just question and answer. Really simple. Every page is the same. Let's see. Just to show you another page, it's going to look exactly the same. Just want you to see how easy these are to put together. Okay, let's look at another one. The Silly Kids Joke Book. Okay, here it is. And I'll show you a page or two inside. Again, simple formatting. Just numbered jokes with a little fun stuff in there for kids. These are easy to make in Canva or elsewhere. Let me just get another page because I want you to know it's just the same throughout the whole book. There's really no difference, okay? Silly Kids Joke Book. One more. This one's got a nice cover. Hilarious jokes for 8-year-old kids. Okay, this is actually a series I saw on there on Amazon. They got, you know, 9, 10-year-olds like that, so you could check these out. Let me show you the inside. Just some fun formatting for the kids. You know what you need here most is the jokes. Okay, the formatting's just the formatting. You get a little things going on in Canva, you're set, right? There's another page. Okay, so I've got these 3 books here. And now I'm going to go into Amazon and show you their bestseller rank, their price. I'm going to do a calculator that estimates how much money they make per month. And you're going to like go, whoa, okay? And it's no joke how much money these books make. Okay, let's get started. Okay, before I go specifically into those 3 books, I'm just going to show you quickly, briefly, the market on Amazon for joke books. So I'm going to do a search for dad jokes here. I already did the search, obviously. And just to quickly show a few, I don't want to go too deep here in this short video. But for example, here, Ultimate Dad Joke Book. The bestseller rank is 11,402. If you do not know what this number means, it's a really good number. The lower the number, the better. And as far as numbers go, that's a really good number. Here's one, dad jokes for new dads. So I guess that's for if you got a newborn, you just became a dad. Does not mean the jokes are about dads or parenting, but it's a good little catch on a niche. What's the bestseller rank on this? 7,352 at the time I am recording this, and that's an even better number. Okay, that's really good. Here's one, super dad jokes, and the number is 56,000 and change. So that's a not as good number, but in the overall scheme of things of numbers on Amazon, it's a really good number. Okay, I'm going to guesstimate this book makes about $200 to $300 per month. All right, some of these ones with these better bestseller ranks are in the thousands per month. Let's move on a little bit. I am going to go into the details of that one. That's one of the first 3 I showed you. So let's see if I got jokes for like kids or something. And of course, there's age ranges here, as you can see. So you come here and do a little more research than I am showing in this short video. But if I go to something like joke books for kids 8 to 12, here is the big book of silly jokes for kids. Bestseller rank, you're not going to believe this, is 371. This book right here is one of the best-selling books on Amazon. It must sell hundreds of copies per day. This is an entire income on one book of jokes. Okay, what else do we have here? Would you rather, which is something I do show in this course, would you rather jokes, 2053. Great number. Lots of sales for that book. Here's some of that series I talked about, and I'm going to show you one of these in a moment. Okay, so anyway, the point I'm making is come here and do a little research for yourself. You're going to find these great numbers, and let's dive in now to those 3 I started this video with, and I'm going to show you how much money these books actually make. Okay, so I have them open on different tabs here. Let me get them going. Here's the dad jokes one I showed a little bit earlier. It is bestseller rank, okay, wherever that is, right here. 1164, and I have here a calculator, an online calculator that gives you an estimate of how many books are sold per day based on that bestseller rank, which is 1164. So if I put in here, by the way, I'm going to put paperback, not ebook, 1164 is estimating 65 of these are sold per day. What is the price? Let's get the price back up here. Okay. All right, just keep that in mind. $5.93. I'm going to go with the list price, which is $9.99. Amazon will once in a while put a book on sale for you. You don't really have a choice over that, but it's a good thing. So $9.99. Okay, let's do the math. All right, 65 per day. I have a calculator here somewhere. 65 per day times 9.99, get ready for this, right, is $649 per day. Per day. I'm going to times that by 30 and get per month. $19,000 and change per month, one book. I'm going to say, in fairness and transparency, the person who put this book out does not get all that money, okay? They might get a quarter of it. Even just 20% of it. Let's do that. What if they got 20%? So let's go times 0.2. And they are keeping close to $4,000 per month on one book. This is an entire income for people. Okay, let's go look at another one I have here. I have on this tab, the Silly Kids Joke Book. So let's see. Again, Amazon's discounting it. You know, today's a Sunday. Maybe they do sales on Sunday. I don't know. But I'm going to go with that price of $9.99. But I do need to get the bestseller rank. So it is down here. 5790. Let me go back to here and put in that number. What was it? 5590. Is that what I said? Better double check here. 5790. Okay, all these numbers, right? 5790 is 19 books per day. Let's get the calculator going, okay? Let's clear this out. All right, 19 books per day at $9.99. Per day times 30 days in a month. How about that? Over $5,000 per month, and if I do my same thing where they keep maybe 20%, who knows? Still, over $1,000 per month, one joke book. This is amazing, okay? And I have one more open, right? One more. This one, hilarious jokes for 8-year-old. Okay, very simple jokes, by the way. Really simple, like, you know, they're for an 8-year-old. So, what is this bestseller rank? It is 7298, and what's the price? Let's see. The price is, this is $695, 7298, if I'm remembering that, because my brain is like number crazy, right? 7298, was it? I better double check. I don't trust myself. All right, 695. 7298, yes, okay, 7298 is 17 books per day. 17 times 695, oh my goodness, and I'm making this video without rehearsing. Okay, what was it, 695, yeah. Whew, okay. Per day equals $118 per day times 30. $3,500 per month. Take out the overhead. Amazon keeps some. Shipping costs, printing, all that stuff. Maybe they pay for ads. So if they keep 20% of that, $700 per month. And they have a series of these, okay? So, Anyway, I'm going to back off here. I am going to stop and just say, this is a great market, and dare I say it, it's a funny market to be in. It's going to make you laugh. I had one problem putting this product together. I could not stop cracking up looking at all the jokes, okay? And what's in this product? Look below. I've got hundreds, if not thousands, of jokes for you to use to start making these books. I'm going to stop the video here. Check out everything else on the page here. Thank you for watching, and let's go have a lot of fun doing this.